Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Rubicon TRX520. This is the FA6 model. Comes with independent rear suspension, power steering. It also has a winch installed on the front. Very low hours, beautiful condition. This bike will sell very quickly for just $94.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by and check us out. Make your big bore Fourtrax Foreman Rubicon dreams come true for just $94.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Four-wheel drive, electric shift, reverse gear, fuel injection. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.